Growing a fig tree in the UK might seem unusual. The weather is not always warm and sunny, but with care and the right choices, anyone can grow sweet, ripe figs at home. Even a small garden can be the perfect place for a fig tree. Figs have a long history around the world. In warmer climates, they grow wild. In Britain, they need a little help to thrive. The good news is that figs are tough and forgiving. They do not mind being grown in a pot or against a warm wall. You do not need to be an expert gardener. This guide will take you through each step, from choosing the best type of fig to picking your fruit. You will learn how to keep your tree happy, healthy, and productive. Let's begin your journey towards homegrown figs, delicious, sweet, and fresh from your own garden. Not every fig is right for British weather. Some types do much better than others. Look for hardy, self-fertile fig varieties. These are best for our cooler, changeable summers and cold winters. The most popular variety is Brown Turkey. It is reliable and grows well in the UK. Brown Turkey produces sweet fruit even in short summers. Another good choice is Brunswick. It is also hardy, and the fruit is large and tasty. For smaller gardens or pots, try Little Miss Figgy or Petite Negra. These are compact and perfect for containers. Self-fertile figs are best for beginners. This means you only need one tree to get fruit. You do not have to worry about pollination. These varieties will crop well on their own, year after year. If you want to grow figs in a pot, choose a dwarf or compact type. They will not outgrow their space and are easier to manage. Figs love warmth and sunshine. The best place in your garden is somewhere sunny, sheltered, and protected from cold winds. A south-facing wall is ideal. The wall will soak up the sun's heat during the day. At night, it slowly releases warmth, helping your figs to ripen. If you do not have a wall, pick the sunniest spot you can find. Avoid low damp areas where cold air can settle. Figs do not like wet feet or shade. They need at least 6 hours of sun each day for sweet, juicy fruit. If you're growing figs in a pot, you can move them. Place the pot in the sunniest, most sheltered spot, especially during spring and summer. In winter, you can move the pot to a greenhouse or porch for extra protection. Remember, a warm, sunny spot will give you the best chance of a good fig harvest. The happier the tree, the sweeter the fruit. Figs are hungry for space. These remarkable trees have a natural instinct to stretch their roots as far as possible, always searching for nutrients and water. If left unchecked, fig roots can travel surprising distances underground, weaving their way through the soil in search of sustenance. In the wild, their roots spread wide to look for food. This allows them to survive in tough conditions, competing with other plants and trees for every drop of moisture and every scrap of nutrition they can find. But in the UK, this natural tendency can actually work against gardeners. When fig roots have unlimited space, the tree puts most of its energy into growing lush, leafy branches, rather than producing the sweet, delicious figs we all want to harvest. You might end up with a beautiful tree, but very little fruit to enjoy. To get lots of figs, you must restrict the roots. By limiting their space, you encourage the tree to focus its energy on fruit production instead of endless leaf growth. This is a simple trick that can transform your harvest. This sounds harsh, but it helps the tree focus on making fruit. When the roots are contained, the fig tree senses that resources are limited, so it puts more effort into reproduction, meaning more figs for you. If you are planting in the ground, dig a hole about 60 centimeters wide and 45 centimeters deep. This gives the roots enough room to establish, but not enough to run wild. Line the sides with paving slabs, bricks, or broken concrete. These barriers act like walls, keeping the roots contained within a set area. You can use whatever sturdy materials you have on hand, as long as they form a solid barrier. This will keep the roots from spreading. The tree will have to make do with the space you've given it, which is exactly what encourages it to bear more fruit. The tree will put its energy into fruit, not leaves. Over time, you'll notice more figs forming and ripening, and fewer, long, leafy shoots. If you are growing in a container, use a big pot. Container growing is a great way to control root growth, especially if you have limited space or want to move your fig tree around. Choose one at least 40 to 45 centimeters wide and deep. This gives the roots enough room to grow, but not so much that they can take over. Use a strong, sturdy pot so roots cannot break out. Figs are surprisingly strong, and weak pots can crack or split as the roots push against them. Check every few years and trim roots if needed. This keeps the tree healthy and productive, and prevents it from becoming root-bound or stressed. Always keep the pot raised off the ground to help drainage. Good drainage is essential for healthy roots and prevents waterlogging, which can cause root rot. Root restriction is the secret to sweet figs in the UK. By controlling the roots, you create the perfect conditions for your tree to produce an abundance of tasty fruit, even in our unpredictable climate. It is easy and makes a big difference. With just a little effort, you can enjoy baskets of homegrown figs every summer, and your tree will stay healthy and manageable for years to come. Planting a fig tree is a rewarding process that starts with timing. Always plant your fig tree in late spring after the last frost has passed. This ensures that your young tree won't be damaged by unexpected cold snaps, giving it the best possible start in your garden. Before you plant, take a moment to soak the roots in a bucket of water for about an hour. This simple step is crucial. It rehydrates the roots after their time in the nursery or during shipping and helps them adjust to their new home. Well-hydrated roots are more likely to establish quickly and grow vigorously. Next, prepare your planting site. If you're planting directly in the ground, dig a hole that's twice as wide and just as deep as the root ball. This gives the roots plenty of loose soil to grow into. If you're planting in a pot, choose one that's large enough for the roots to spread comfortably. At the bottom of your hole or pot, add a generous layer of well-rotted compost, mixed with garden soil. This nutrient-rich base will feed your fig tree as it settles in, encouraging strong root development and healthy growth. Carefully place the tree in the hole or pot, making sure it sits at the same depth it was growing in its nursery pot. Gently spread out the roots so they're not tangled or circling, which helps the tree anchor itself and absorb nutrients more efficiently. Begin backfilling with your soil and compost mixture, pressing down gently as you go to remove air pockets. Once the hole is filled, water the tree thoroughly. This settles the soil around the roots and gives your fig tree a much-needed drink after planting. To help retain moisture and keep the roots cool, add a thick mulch of bark or straw around the base of the tree. Mulching also helps suppress weeds and slowly adds organic matter to the soil as it breaks down. If you're planting more than one fig tree, be sure to space them at least 2 to 3 meters apart. This spacing prevents the trees from crowding each other as they grow, ensuring each one gets enough sunlight, air circulation, and room for their roots to expand. For those growing figs in pots, space is less of a concern, but it's still important to give each tree enough room to thrive. Place your pots where they'll get plenty of sunlight and make sure there's space between them for air to flow freely. Finally, don't forget to label your tree with its variety name and the date you planted it. This small step is often overlooked, but it's incredibly helpful for keeping track of your trees, especially if you're growing several different varieties. By labeling your fig trees, you'll always know exactly what you're growing and when each tree was planted, making it easier to monitor their progress and care for them year after year. With these steps, your fig tree will be well on its way to producing delicious fruit for seasons to come. Figs in the UK usually crop twice a year. The first, or what's called the Breba crop, grows on last year's shoots and ripens in early summer. Then, the main crop forms on new growth and ripens in late summer or early autumn, if the weather is kind. The main challenge here, in the UK, is ripening, really. Cool summers or early frosts can stop figs from fully ripening. Unripe figs won't become sweet and, unfortunately, may just drop off. Young figs, those tiny green fruit forming late in the year, won't ripen before winter. These can be left on the tree to overwinter, but keep in mind, frost can damage young figs in winter. If this happens, the tiny fruit may fall off in spring. Protecting your tree helps avoid this problem. Most harvests will be in August and September. Some years, you may only get one good crop, but with care, every year brings more fruit. Figs are wonderfully rewarding and surprisingly easy to care for, provided you stick to a few essential guidelines. Whether you're growing your fig tree in the ground or in a pot, a little attention goes a long way. Let's break down the basics of watering, feeding, mulching, and more, so your fig tree can thrive and produce delicious fruit year after year. Watering is key. Figs need consistent moisture, especially during dry spells and when the fruit is swelling in summer. If the soil dries out too much, the fruit can drop or split, so aim to keep the soil evenly moist but never soggy. If your fig is in a pot, you'll need to water more frequently, as pots dry out much faster than garden beds. Check the soil every few days, especially during hot weather, and water thoroughly when the top inch feels dry. Good drainage is crucial. Never let your fig tree sit in water, as figs really dislike having soggy roots. Make sure pots have drainage holes, and avoid planting in heavy clay soils that hold onto water. Feeding your fig tree is just as important. In early spring, apply a slow-release fertilizer or a generous layer of compost around the base of the tree. This gives your fig the nutrients it needs to put on healthy growth and set plenty of fruit for the season ahead. Mulching is a simple but effective way to care for your fig. Spread a thick layer of bark, compost, or straw around the base of the tree, keeping it a few inches away from the trunk to prevent rot. Mulch helps in several ways. It keeps the roots cool and moist during hot spells, suppresses weeds that compete for water and nutrients, and gradually improves the soil as it breaks down. Pruning is best done in late winter or early spring, before new growth starts. Remove any dead, weak, or crossing branches to keep the tree healthy and encourage a good shape. Aim to open up the center of the tree so that air and sunlight can reach all parts of the canopy. This helps prevent disease and ensures every fig ripens fully. If you're short on space, figs can be trained as fans against a sunny wall or fence. This not only saves space but also helps every fig get plenty of sunlight, which is essential for sweet, tasty fruit. Make it a habit to check your fig tree each week for pests like scale insects or aphids, and look out for signs of disease such as leaf spots or yellowing leaves. Early action can prevent bigger problems later on. With regular care, watering, feeding, mulching, pruning, and a watchful eye for pests, your fig tree will reward you with strong growth and a generous harvest of delicious fruit year after year. Happy growing. Figs can handle some frost, but young fruit and new shoots really need a bit of help. For trees in the ground, wrap fleece or old net curtains over the branches in winter. Mulch thickly around the base to protect roots. If your tree is against a wall, the wall's warmth will help too. For potted figs, move the pot close to the house or into a porch or unheated greenhouse. Wrap the pot in bubble wrap or hessian if very cold weather is expected. Lift pots onto bricks to stop roots freezing in wet soil. If you spot tiny green figs in autumn, just leave them on the tree. They may survive and ripen next summer. If any fruit turns mushy or black, pick it off and throw it away. A little winter care means more figs in the next season. Knowing when to pick figs is the key to sweet, juicy fruit. Figs don't ripen after picking, so wait until the fruit is soft, drooping, and has a slight crack or split in the skin. The fig should feel heavy and smell sweet. Gently twist it off the branch. Pick figs every few days in late summer. Eat them fresh, straight from the tree, or use them in jams and desserts. If birds find your figs first, cover the tree with netting as they start to ripen. Harvest regularly so the tree keeps making new fruit. If you leave overripe figs on the tree, they may rot and attract wasps. With this simple care, your fig tree will reward you with delicious homegrown fruit, even in a cool British summer.